Welcome, in front of me I have ALCATEL 1B 2020 and I'm going to show you how you can adjust notification bar icons. At the first you have to open notification bar and click on edit icon. As you can see here we can adjust these icons. If you want to change position for this icon, for example you want to get auto rotate. Right here you have to click hold and then drag it. Let's make it one more time. Click hold and then drag it like that. If you want to add icons, for example, you want to get quick access to the flashlight, just do the same, click hold and then drag it to the place that you want to get it. As you can see here, we get a notification that the maximum number of shortcuts on the notification bar, we can get only 7. So honestly, I don't know why, because it's the first time that I see something like that. I use a lot of smartphones and even the worst brands than ALCATEL, but I don't know, okay, never mind. So you have to simply get used to it and only get here 7 icons. If you want to save settings, click on the right upper corner, and as you can see everything was saved. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.